Welcome to a step-by-step guide on how to give a new look to your old, dull laterite walls, maintaining the natural elegance of laterite. Our journey begins with preparation. Watch as our skilled team gently sands the walls, ensuring a perfect base for the laterite coating. Next, every speck of dust is meticulously removed. First, with careful brushing, and then using air blowing for a spotless surface. Now, the transformation begins. The first coat on laterite is applied with precision. This layer is crucial as it sets the foundation for the aesthetic to come. Once the first layer sets, we apply the second coat. This not only enhances the color and gloss of finish but also ensures durability. And here's the moment of magic. The walls, once plain, now exude warmth and sophistication with the laterite finish. A testament to beauty meeting functionality. From bland to grand, this laterite wall decorative coating not only revamps your walls but also breathes new life into your home. Thank you for watching.